How to fix LinkedIn persona verification not working. So if you want to fix your LinkedIn persona verification not working, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your LinkedIn application. Or for that, you need to first open up your Play Store. On your Play Store, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for LinkedIn. Once you've searched for LinkedIn, if you have any updates on your LinkedIn, just simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for LinkedIn contact support. Now go with the official website, which is LinkedIn customer support, which will be in the first, and then scroll all the way down, and you will have a hyperlink access to LinkedIn support homepage. Once you find it, you need to tap on that, which is clickable. So click on it and open it up, and here you will have two options. One is chat with support, and the other one is create a support ticket. You can simply tap on chat with support option and then simply chat with them and let them know that you're having some issues and they can fix it up from their end. Or else, if they're not online, you can also use create a support ticket option, click on that. After that, just simply go and select a category and proceed with the following steps, and you'll be able to fix your problem. That's how you can fix LinkedIn persona verification not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.